D&D Sports can be found on all social media, including Instagram. We are also now a full-service Traxxas exclusive dealer.
Hey D&D Sports fans, welcome back to another week of what's new in the RC shop. And today is Friday and we only got one order in, and you see the 4 boxes there. Let's start with this little one. And it looks like from the warning on the side, it's just going to be one 1400 milliamp 3-cell LiPo battery. We've sold a few of those, becoming more popular with the TRX4 crawlers. Let's go to this next box. It looks like this may all be parts in here. We'll pull them all out and look at them at the end. The third box. Looks like all that's in there is a TRX4 chassis kit. And the last box that we have is going to be the new Mercedes-Benz G500. This is probably the other color. As of right now, these will be available to purchase in your local hobby shop. So here's everything out of the boxes. We got the TRX4 chassis kit. We got the blue Mercedes-Benz. And right below that is TRX4 parts. You got the push bar for the Chevy Blazer. The only thing I haven't been able to find on Traxxas website yet is the black in color diff covers, which are found on the Mercedes-Benz. They have not released those yet. They have the gray, the chrome, and the red. Got some performance parts, a transmission for a Unlimited Desert Racer. We got some colored shocks for 2-wheel drive Stampede. And everything over here is for the 4-wheel drive Rustlers. So we have some orange rims, some more suspension parts. We also got some wings. Alright guys, that is everything for this week. Be sure to like and subscribe to the video. And thanks for watching.